What is up, everyone? Welcome back. I know I haven't posted in a while, but this is the update. So I took off my Eagle alloy wheels and tires, my BF Goodrich KO2s, and I put on the stock ones. So I'm going to be selling the 265 7017s online, and I'm going to post these also. Right now, I'm going to clean them. I got aluminum wheel cleaner, Eagle alloy. So let's see if this works. Spray this on. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, guys. Just remodeling the house and work. And the kids went back to school, so, well, one of them did. And then I have to watch my daughter also. So I'm gonna let this set for a little bit and then scrub it down. The smell of this is super strong. Not super strong, but you can smell it. So, cool. Got this, and then to clean the tires, to post them up on OfferUp. Black satin, not too glossy, just perfect. Bottle scrubber. So let's get to it. Let's do the it has, I have road rash, and then I have on one of the rims right here, it's a little cracked, but I'll post them up for 300 or best offer. All right, I scrub them down, and then I'm gonna spray them off. All right, so I rinsed them, and then I sprayed it again to get the hard stains. I don't have a wire brush. I just have this bristles, and it's not coming off. So I just want to clean it up a little bit, and then so I can post them. But yeah, let's scrub it down again and rinse it off. 265 7017s. Really good tread depth on all four. Really good. So I'm gonna spray it right now and then scrub it. Let's get this scrubbing. All right, now spray off. gonna dry them off and then use this guy. Dry touch, no grease residue, long lasting, directions, shake well, apply, clean, dry tires. Cool. Let me dry them off. So here we go. We'll do the top two and then move down. To the outside ring. And then outside ring, move in. Did a little longer on that one. To wipe off with a microfiber towel. Let's go over a little more. There we go. Fiber. I'm gonna dry them off without the camera. Alrighty then, they are all set. Pretty good. So I'm gonna post them up on OfferUp. Probably $350 or $400 and our best offer, and then these $350 or best offer. But yeah, guys, that was a really good workout, scrubbing. But thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll try to post more. Just really hard with life going on and remodeling the house. So yeah, thank you guys. So these are my stock ones. Back on. Lift is coming soon. All right, peace.